Hey, fourth grade math students, let's do this thing. On page 63 and 64 today, this is all review, you guys. So I'm just gonna do a few things with you on page 63 to make sure that you feel confident and that you're understanding everything that you need to do. Okay, so here we go, let's do it. Look at number 1. It says, give the fraction for the colored portion. So remember, you guys have been learning all about fractions. Let's take a quick review for this. This fraction right here is called 1/2, right? You have, what number is the numerator? What number right here is the numerator? Everyone tell me. 1, because it's the number on top. Good. And what number is the denominator? Obviously 2, because it's the number on the bottom, okay? Where do we get these numbers? Well, remember, 2 comes from how many parts are inside this shape. So we cut this shape right here in half. That means we have 2 parts. That means our denominator is 2. Then we color one of them, and we're talking about the colored one, so we put one colored one up on the top to represent the one that is colored, and it's 1/2 is your answer. So remember, numerator is 1, denominator is 2. So when you look at this one where it says give the fraction for the colored portion, you see that this one is the colored one. Well, first of all, to figure out our denominator, what are we going to do? Our denominator is the number of parts that we cut the shape into, right? Well, we cut this one into how many parts? Scarlett? ¿Cuántas partes hay en esa figura? 4. Good job, chicas. So 4 is our denominator. And then what's our numerator, Kiara? 1. Excellent, chica, because 1 is the colored part. Ok, una pregunta entonces. Si yo iba a preguntar cuál es la fracción de las partes que no están coloreados o pintados, ¿qué iba a decir, Kiana? La fracción para la parte que no está pintada. Well, our denominator would be the same, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 parts, but then how many are not colored? 3 would be your answer. Hopefully you got that one right. Good job, Kiana. Okay, look at number 2. We're going to do a lot of this together. They have a number line that is showing us the parts between 0 and 1, okay? All the parts between 0 and 1 are going to be in fractions, right? We cut this, think about it like a ruler, right? A regla that has 0 and 1 pulgadas and then a lot of lines in between those pulgadas, right? Well, that's what we're doing right here. We cut it into 8 pieces. So the very first piece is going to be 1/8. Every single one of these fractions is going to have the denominator of 8. Eso tiene sentido because it's 8 parts in the whole thing, right? So this is 1/8. What is this going to be? Sama? 2/8. What's this going to be, Jayla? 3/8. We already have 4/8 right there, so what's this going to be? Ooh, I don't want to tell you. I'm going to let you do these 2 on your own. Okay? Look at number 3. Number 3 is fun, you guys. This is my sister's name, Dana. It says, draw an illustration, and an illustration is a dibujo. Draw an illustration for these statements, okay? Dana has half a pizza left. Okay, so she had a pizza. Let's draw the pizza, and now she ate half of it. Wow, that's a lot of pizza. And she has half left. There we go. That's my half a pizza. Bada bing, bada boom. That's all you have to do. Okay? Then you have to do half a glass. That's a vaso is a glass. And then half of the marble is blue, and half of the marble is red. The marble are those little pelotita things. Maules that you guys call them, I think. Marble. Okay? Let's look at number 4. Let's do the word problems together, and then I'm going to let you do everything else by yourself on this page because you guys are super smart and you know how to do it. Okay, here we go. Number 4, letter A. It says, while driving to Bible Victory Camp, Mr. Fitzpatrick drove at the rate of 50 miles per hour. Okay, so that means every hour he was going 50 miles cada hora. It took him 3 hours to drive to the camp. Okay, so he went 3 hours. He had 50 miles cada hora. He went 3 hours. Right? How many miles is it to the camp? Hint. To find the distance traveled, multiply the rate by the number of hours. So it tells us right here what to do. What are we gonna do? Multiply. Okay, so I can't tell you the answer. Sorry. So you gotta multiply it by yourself. Then look at letter B. It's the same way you do letter A. So, trampa. I'm not gonna tell you that one either. It's the same way you do letter A. So I'm gonna see if you figured it out. Okay, sorry, not everybody needed to help me today, but I'm really proud of each one of you guys. So, have a great day. Have a great day, Fernanda. Have a great day, Jayla, Holly, Scarlett, Tiano, and Salma. Bye, guys.